Ever feel like your tech stack is secretly plotting to keep you from that dream vacation in Hawaii? We're serious. If you own a small business, there's a good chance your software is eating away at your profits, one forgotten subscription and scattered file at a time. But hey, what if we told you, with the right moves, you could trade those tech headaches for a week of piña coladas on the beach? Let us break it down. First up, communication chaos. If your team's bouncing between email, Slack, Teams, and, let's face it, carrier pigeons, you're losing precious hours just hunting for information. For a 10-person crew, that's nearly $70,000 a year in lost productivity. Solution? Pick one tool for each type of chat and stick with it. If it's not in the system, it doesn't count. Your future self will thank you. Next, disconnected tools. You know the drill, typing the same client info into 4 different apps. It's not just tedious, it's costly. A little automation like connecting your forms, CRM and billing could save you thousands every year and maybe your sanity. And finally, the graveyard of unused software. Be honest, do you know what you're actually paying for each month? Most business owners don't, until they spot a charge for a free trial that's been quietly billing them for a year and a half. Audit those subscriptions. If you haven't used it in 30 days, hit cancel. Trust us, that's your Hawaii fund hiding in plain sight. Add it all up and you could free up $40,000 or more, enough for a vacation, team bonuses, or just a bigger safety net. So, what's stopping you? Spend 1 hour reviewing your tech tools. Or, if you'd rather have a pro handle it, click the link in the description to schedule a free discovery call with AtoZinIT. Because honestly, your profits should be funding sunsets and surfboards, not forgotten software licenses.